Welcome. In this tutorial we shall learn how to set up page layout and related aspects. In order to set the size and orientation of the page, click on the layout menu and go to the page setup option. You can choose preset page size from the size list box. To match the page size to your printer settings, click Get Page Size from Printer button. To specify the custom page size, type values in width and height options. You can set the page orientation to landscape or portrait. You can check or uncheck this option to show the page border. To choose a layout style, click Layout and choose the layout style. To use labels, click Label and enable the Labels option. You can choose labels from the available options. You can also make a customized label of your own. To choose a background for your page, click the background option. To use a solid background, click the solid button. And select a color from the palette. To use a bitmap as a background, go to the layout, select page background, select the bitmap option and click browse. Select the file you want to set as your background and click import. Now click OK. This sets the image as your background. Thank you.